Do you like ice cream? Of course you do, everyone does. And with summer approaching, I'm going to make one of my favorite ice cream recipes. Blueberry and white chocolate chip. Let's make tasty food. So now the blueberries, you can cool them in the fridge for a couple of hours, or if you don't have patience, like me, ice. And we're gonna make an ice bath. Add a little water. So now this is cold enough, it goes in the fridge. You're gonna need 1 cup of cream. Next step is you need half a teaspoon of vanilla and the condensed milk. Just mix everything gentle together, but make sure you don't have any lumps remaining. So while the cream mix is chilling, I have time to prepare our chocolate chips. I'll just use normal white chocolate. Next, we're gonna put the blueberries into our cream mix. And now the whole mix goes back into the freezer. Now we just mix the chocolate chips. Just mix them, fold them over. And now back in the freezer. Scooping time. Tastes like blueberries, cream, white chocolate, all in one thing. Love it. It has this stracciatella kind of texture to it. There's this little white chocolate pieces. And look at the color. It looks like Thanos in ice cream. Marvelicious. It's marvelicious ice cream. Love it.
I love it.